Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. You're watching the channel Shruti Vashisht. So this channel is all about manifesting and learning how to manifest and becoming really just these expert manifestors. So if that is something that you would like to watch, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel because it's a new channel. And today I want to speak to you about how to know that your desire is about to manifest. And that's the subject that I'm going to speak about. And before I do that, I just want to let you know about some links below this video. The first one is a link to a course, Manifest Soulmate Relationships, where I really go in depth into embodiment practices that are based in the body, which really help you land the soulmate. Then there's another one, another course that is there that's free, so you can check that out also. It's along the same lines. And there is a link to work personally with me as well through my website, so check out all of those. Okay, so how do you know that your desire is about to manifest? So I'm going to tell you that one thing that how you know that your desire is about to manifest. But before I get into that, I'm going to briefly tell you what starts to happen when we have properly seeded our manifestation, when we have properly claimed that desire that we have, then things start to happen. So even though our manifestation is not here in the physical yet, some things start to happen. So what are they? So first I'm going to tell you that, and then I'm going to tell you how you know that your manifestation is here, like it's just about to manifest. So those things that start to happen right as we have fully it's kind of like our whole body is on board. When that starts to happen, that our full body is resonating, there aren't parts of us that are going, that is this true, am I worth it, and all of that, our beliefs, our thoughts, whatever it might be. But we have really landed in that experience, let's say that my desire is mine. So when we do that, then usually synchronicities will start to happen. So that's one thing that happens. You will start to see things that show you essentially that what you are feeling here is in your outer as well. So for example, if it's let's say a relationship that you are manifesting, you might see people will start showering you with love. For example, that's a sign, more than usual, and you'll feel it, that people are giving me attention, or people that whichever gender you are interested in, they start giving you attention, let's say, or even people just in general, they start showing you, giving you random compliments, telling you that you look so nice today, or there's something about you today, or whatever. So something like that, or you start seeing signs of love, whether it's hearts, in different places, just whatever love means to you. It could be like couples, for example, as well. You start seeing, if you're manifesting marriage, let's say, you start seeing rings everywhere or signs of marriage or whatever. So essentially those synchronicities will represent to you whatever your desire is. So those synchronicities start to happen. Then the number two thing that starts to happen is we are inspired. And synchronicities will also help with this, but generally we wake up with this energy, because if we are doing those practices of manifestation, or where generally any practices of manifestation, really it's not the practice that is so important. The practice should help you just come into that experience of knowing that my desire is mine, I claim it, I have it. If you really know that, then even practices are not necessary. So when we are in that experience of knowing that my desire is mine, like I said, the first thing is synchronicities, life reflecting to you, and then the second thing is that you will be charged with you'll have this inspiration, and when it's the right time, you will know how to act, what to do. And it sometimes it will be aha moments where that I need to do something. For example, if you're manifesting a job or something, suddenly you have this feeling that I need to buy this newspaper today. and you're like, yeah, I mean, I had that thought, I don't usually do this, but let me go ahead, and you buy it, and there's an ad in that paper which is, which later turns out to be the job that you get. So something like this, but it's not always very obvious. Inspired action is just about naturally flowing, like we naturally find ourselves doing those things. Because don't we on an everyday basis have random thoughts and random feelings, and just are the choices that we're making in the moment every day, every hour we're making different choices. If you're at your workplace, who do you talk to? When it's lunch break, who are you chatting with? Which I don't know, restaurant you go to eat today. So there's so many choices that we're making in the everyday. So all of those, you are moving through life through those choices. So they start to become more inspired, they start to feel more in flow, and it's not something that you can sort of force. It just flows through you, and also you have more energy for those things, that whatever your desire is, you will have more energy towards that. So if it's in the same example, if it's your job, let's say you've been pretty stagnant for a while, you haven't been doing anything, maybe you'll wake up more energized to do something else. Even if it's not in the direction of your job, you'll start exercising just to bring in that energy. So all of it will be flowing. So it's called inspired action. It's flowing through your inner inspiration. You'll have energy and passion, and also the actions that you do ultimately are unfolding into the unfoldment of that manifestation. And usually they're so, little by little, it's so graceful. It's like you can't even tell which step led to what. It's the unfolding is so graceful. So these two things happen: synchronicities, inspired action. But how do you know that your desire is about to manifest? It's and it's very simple. You know that your desire is about to manifest when in your heart, through your whole body, you know that it is here. And this is because when we know something inside of us, that it exists inside of me, it has to exist on the outside too. You see, it is done, it is created. So when you know that yeah, it's when you're living in that feeling, that I'm feeling this all the time these days, I'm always feeling love, I'm always feeling abundant, and there's all of these signs or whatever it is, but within yourself you are always feeling that yes, I am love, I am love, I am love. And that thing that I desire, it's here, it's in me, it lives in me. It's like alive through me. When you know that and you're living as that, you won't even care so much about when is the manifestation coming. So it's just about that knowing. You will know that my desire is here, you'll be living in it, and you won't be asking yourself questions that when is my desire coming, when will it come. So when you stop asking and when you really know, when just being in that essence is enough, you may have a desire, like you want to be, let's say, in a relationship, but there's no more that need, because love is feeding you from the inside out anyway. When it's like that, then love will be magnetized to you, in the outer as well, because it's what you're holding. And so that is how you know that your desire is about to manifest. And usually it's pretty quick, once we land this feeling as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below how you found it, what kind of videos you would like to watch from me. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you got some wisdom today. And I will see you in the next one.